I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tammy here, and I am back with another video. So I haven't vlogged in a while. I know. Please don't come for me. I've just been enjoying. Oh, my nose is showing, but anyways, that's a story for another day. So I'm here at the monkeys. I'm meeting up with Kizzy. I just got here, so let's go meet up with her. She says she's inside, so yeah, let's go guys. It's so windy. Why is my tripod like this? It's so windy. It's been raining. May he not splash me water. Thank you. But anyways, let's go in. Say hi. Hi people, hi friends, hi so much.
Where did you park?
The phone call. I'm right here.
Okay. I wanted to park there, but there were two cars.
Just the phone call away. Alrighty. I'm not crying.
Hey guys, so this is the outfit of the night. Coat from my mom's wardrobe, and then dress is from the Fix, and then I'm wearing shoes from Mistress, and then I'm gonna carry my LV bag. So yeah, let's go for dinner.
Scrumdiddly yum yum. Hey my loves, so we are at the shop Mistress today. Because you look beautiful, do you wanna be my vlog?
I did that is how we no not like
What you feel, baby, I'm fast. You be hoping I can find it just fast. I'm about to let you know you make me so
celebrity.
Up to today, you know, up to something.
Do you know how gorgeous you look? Oh, not like you.
I'm a big enough.